Hi guys, welcome back. I am Priyanka and in today's video I'm going to share one of my favorite skincare with you all, and I'm using all the home remedies, all the ingredients in this skincare. You can easily find them in the kitchen and it has amazing benefits for all different skin type. Anybody can use this. So yes, now let's get started. In this video I'm going to show you all the process like cleansing, scrubbing, toning your face and applying the face pack. Everything I will show you. So for skincare it's very important to start with very clean face. So I have washed my face and also I'm using raw milk to clean my face neatly, to remove any leftover dirt and oil or sweat on my face, to prepare my face for the next step. So for next step I'm going to scrub my face, where I'm going to mix rice, blended rice, and then I've mixed it with some curd, and this is the DIY scrub that I have prepared, and I'm just gently scrubbing my complete full face and neck everywhere. So this will unclog my skin pores and which will help to remove all the dirt and deeply cleanse your face. Also removes all the dead skins from your face, of course. And now I've just washed my face and you can see the glow on my face here itself. And next let's move on to the next step, where I'm going to apply a face pack which is made of besan, turmeric and milk, and this is the paste that I'm going to apply on all over my face, and I will leave it up to 20 minutes. So you can see the besan that I have added and the turmeric, they are really good for the skin. That just boosts the complexion of your skin, makes your skin crystal clear, glowing, healthy. Turmeric is antibacterial, which is again really good for your skin. If you have acne prone skin, there is pimple on your skin, once it get dry I will just scrub it gently so that I can also get rid of unwanted facial hair. This works best. It's a 2-in-1 kind of face pack, where you can also get the benefits of face pack and you can also use it as removing your unwanted facial hair. So next here I am preparing my DIY toner. Toner is really important for the skin, guys. It just tightens your skin, it just shrinks your skin pores, and also so this rice water also kind of shrinks your skin pores, which is very important and helps to maintain the pH balance, natural pH balance of your skin. So yes, this is the final step of my skincare, and now we'll finish this skincare just by applying my favorite moisturizer to moisturize my skin and hydrate my skin. So yes guys, that's all for this skincare routine, where I have shown you all the different very important process of a skincare: the cleansing, scrubbing, applying face pack and the toner. So yes, you can try out this skincare. It's really good for all skin type and you can do it weekly once for amazing results. And that's all guys, I will see you all soon. Till then, take care. Bye.